If you're here, it's because you've already become a little bit accustomed to a brand new tech tool called Flipgrid. The first thing you need to recognize is this link here. Whenever you see the Smoketown 4th grade Flipgrid link, all you'll have to do is click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the Flipgrid site, but ask you for your passcode. In order to enter the Smoketown 4th grade Flipgrid, you need to know your 101 or 102 number and enter it right here. Then press Let's Go. Now I'm into the actual Flipgrid. All I have to do now is look at what the question is asking me and find the big green plus sign. Our first Flipgrid asks us to record one thing that we miss about school and say hello. It also tells me that I have 30 seconds. So I scroll down to the bottom and I find the big green plus sign. Once I hit the green plus sign, it's going to open up my online camera, which hopefully many of us have. Press the green circle with the white plus. It will open up your camera, and now you can actually see me. First, I already know what the prompt is, but in case you're like me and your memory's not that great, perhaps you forgot, you can always click this link here to re-show you the topic. It reminds me that it wants me to tell everyone what I miss about school. So now that I remember the topic, all I have to do is press the record, start recording. It's going to give me a countdown, and then I press that record button again to stop. There's the countdown. Hi, it's Mr. Panza. I miss you guys. One thing I really miss about Smoketown is those morning meetings with my class. Hope that we'll all be back at Smoketown sometime soon. Now that I've pressed that pause button, I'm ready to either add some things or move on. Remember, this is just a very quick video, so I'm going to press next. It will replay the video for you. You can actually hear what you're actually saying, and once you like it, you can hit next again. Now it says, take a selfie. So you're just going to smile for the camera and take a quick selfie. Now that it has the selfie, I'm ready to press next. It's loading everything. It needs me to submit my name. Now, if it doesn't have your first and last name, you probably want to add it here. One thing we've noticed is that some students aren't necessarily adding first and last name, and that can be sometimes confusing for the teachers, so make sure you're doing that. Once you've done it, click Submit Video. It will give you that little congratulations pop, hit Complete, and eventually your video will be on the bottom of the grid. To check and see if your video made the grid, go back, find the link, click on it again, enter your passcode again, and then press Let's Go. Once you're back into the grid, just scroll down to where that green and white plus sign was, and you can see Mr. Panza's responses here. Your other classmates will put their responses here as well, and you can click on them, which will then pull up the video so that you can watch their videos. I have enabled the opportunity to like a video just by clicking on the heart, and you'll be good to go. Remember, learning a new technology normally means you have to use it, try it out, and have some success and failure. The first tool before I record are filters. Filters can change the background or the foreground. Once you pick it, it will change it. If you don't like it, go back to none. I'm going to keep this filter on. This part is the text tool. So let's say I wanted my name to show up for students. I click on the text button. I pick on a color. And then I type my name. Now I don't want it to cover my face, so I move it down. That's the second tool that you could use. The third tool are the stickers. Click on stickers and it gives you a whole bunch of emojis to choose from. I like Shady. Click on him. He's right in the middle of my face. Make sure that if you pick something like stickers, you move it so we can actually see who is speaking. After stickers is the drawing tool. Let's say I wanted to draw a cool picture. I could draw a picture over here that could go along with my video. Not my best effort. Over here is the board. So if you want to teach the class something, you could go to the board and actually draw. They maybe could see a multiplication problem on the side. You could actually do this live as well if you'd like. And then just make sure you go back so that way they can see who is speaking. After that tool, you have custom stickers. So if you have a picture, let's say, of yourself saved to the desktop, click on that. It will take you to your desktop. Click on that custom image. And I'm going to put that up here. Now, this is a whole lot of stuff, and it could be a little bit distracting while people are watching your video, but be sure to play around with the different types of tech tools because these types of tools are coming up all over. Now that I have my background ready, I click record to record my video. Hey, look at all the tools I used in Flipgrid. Pretty cool, huh? Just like I showed you in the previous video, you hit pause to stop the video. Next, to move on, look at all the tools I used in Flipgrid. It replays the video for you so that you can hear it. Then you take a selfie and look. All of those tools are there again. So once again, you could add your name. And then I'm going to move that name up here. And then I'm going to give a big smile. And there's my selfie. You can add those other features as well. Press next, and it shows you how it's going to appear. Submit your video. It will say congratulations. Go back to that link on the Smoketown STEM page. Go back into Flipgrid. Type in your passcode. And notice that that video is now added to the Flipgrid board. I hope this video helps you learn Flipgrid.